Welcome to this exciting DIY copper smelting adventure. Watch as we transform scrap copper into beautiful shiny ingots that are not just stunning, but sellable. In just 14 minutes, you'll learn the entire process from unpacking the furnace to polishing the final product. Let's get started. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to set up our DIY smelting furnace. This is your key to turning scrap copper into something amazing. Let's unpack and assemble it step by step. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new DIY adventure. Ready to melt some copper and transform scrap into shiny ingots? Let's get started. Warning: the actions in this video involve high temperatures and molten metal. Do not attempt this at home, especially not without proper training. Always wear the necessary safety gear. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. We highly advise you not to replicate or attempt this at home. Here we have the furnace body, the heating elements, the thermocouple, and all the essentials. Make sure you follow the instructions, and soon you'll be ready to melt metal like a pro. Now that our furnace is all set up, it's time to get it fired up. Heating the furnace to the right temperature is critical for melting the copper. We're aiming for around 1200 degrees Celsius, just above copper's melting point of 1085 degrees Celsius. It's important to be patient here. Once it's hot enough, we'll be ready to throw in our scrap copper. If you're using your melting crucible for the first time, it's important to season it before use. To do this, heat it up until it begins to glow, and then allow it to cool down naturally. This process helps to ensure that the crucible is properly conditioned and ready to handle high temperatures safely. After this initial heating and cooling, your crucible will be good to go for your metal melting projects. Here comes the exciting part. Let's toss in our scrap copper and watch it turn into molten metal. This is where the magic happens. Look at that transformation. Copper melts quickly, and before you know it, we'll have a pool of molten copper ready for the next step. Now, we need to remove the slag. Slag is the impurities that float on top of the molten copper. By removing it, we're ensuring that our final ingot will be pure and shiny. Don't forget to preheat your melting mold before pouring in the molten copper. This step is crucial for achieving a clean, smooth surface on your ingot and preventing any defects during the pouring process. For all the details, check out the description below. You'll find a complete part list and links to buy all the necessary products for this project. In our text DIY, we explain each step in detail so you can follow along with ease. Visit the website below. It's time to pour our molten copper into a graphite mold. Graphite is perfect for this because it can withstand the high temperatures of molten metal. This is a crucial moment. Make sure to pour slowly and steadily to get the perfect shape. We'll let it cool down in the mold for a few minutes, but we won't leave it alone for too long. Keep watching as the copper solidifies into our ingot. Removing the ingot from the mold and cooling, our copper ingot is ready to be removed from the mold. Look at that shine. It's already looking fantastic, but let's give it a little extra treatment to make it even better. Now we'll toss it into cold water to cool it down completely. The sizzling sound is just too satisfying. Next, we need to brush off the remaining slag. We'll use an angle grinder for this. Make sure you wear safety gear. This part is essential for cleaning up your ingot. The grinder will help you get a nice, smooth surface, and we'll be left with a gorgeous copper bar. Sanding down the ingot to perfection once the slag is gone, it's time to smooth out the ingot. We'll sand it down to an even, flat surface. This step makes all the difference. This is where you can really see your work coming together. Sanding might take some time, but the end result is totally worth it. polishing the copper ingot to a shiny finish. We're almost there. Let's bring that ingot to a mirror-like shine with a good polish. Just look at that copper gleam. After some polishing, it's going to look even more stunning, like a piece of art. Want to see more smelting or metalworking projects? Let us know what you want to see next. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Maybe they're ready to start their own DIY smelting adventure. Have you tried smelting copper before? Or maybe you have your own smelting tips. Drop them in the comments below. And there you have it, your very own copper ingot, polished and ready to sell or keep as a masterpiece. Congratulations! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more awesome DIY projects. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!